Children, this is Sarath from Lotus High School. Today, I would like to explain the multiplication of two binomials. From the lesson Algebraic Expressions, already you learned in 8th class, but this is very much useful to you. Once again, I am revising. You know very well monomial, binomial, trinomial, and multinomial. Let us start. To discuss about the very important topic, multiplication of binomials. Here the first example, a plus b into a plus b, how to multiply a plus b into a plus b, a of a plus b plus this plus b of a plus b. Better you keep curly brackets. Now a into a square, distributive property, this plus will come, a into b, ab, plus b into a, ba, plus b into b, b square, b into b, b square is equal to a square. We can break the brackets because all are plus symbols. A square plus ab plus ba plus b square is equal to a square only. ab, ba we can write b into a or a into b, ab both are same, ab plus b square is equal to a square plus ab plus ab is equal to 2ab. Why? Because 1ab plus 1ab is equal to 2ab plus b square. Actually, this is one algebraic identity. A plus b into a plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is nothing but actually this is in product form. I can write in exponential form. A plus b to the power of 1, a plus b to the power of 1 is nothing but a plus b whole square. Like this, a into a is equal to a square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is one identity. We are going to learn the second identity or second special product. A minus b into a minus b is equal to a into a minus b minus b into a minus b. Definitely have to keep curly brackets, otherwise we'll get wrong answer. So here multiplication, a into a square minus a into b ab minus b into a ba minus b into b b square, b into b b square is equal to, as it is, we can write, we can break the brackets. So because their plus symbol is there, a square minus ab. This symbol for sign for ba is equal to plus. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus ba. Because of this minus will be plus b square is equal to a square minus ab. Here also this is minus ab. Minus b is nothing but minus ab plus b square is equal to a square minus 1ab is equal to minus 2ab plus b square. Finally, a minus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is nothing but an algebraic identity. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, the third one, third multiplication, a minus b into a plus b. How to write again? A of a plus b minus b of a plus b, a of a plus b minus b of a plus b, better you keep curly bracket, is equal to a into a square plus a into b ab minus b into a ba plus b into b b square is equal to a square plus ab as it is. We can break the brackets because in front of a square plus ab there is no sign in the sense plus symbol. In front ba plus b square, in front of ba plus b square minus symbol is there. What is the symbol of ba plus? Because of this minus, this plus will be minus ba. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus b square is equal to a square plus ab minus b. Again we can write minus ab minus b square. AB and AB cancel. That in the sense AB minus AB is equal to 0. A square minus B square. Finally, one more special product. A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. This is third special product. Normally we use it to call A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. The fourth one, X plus A into X plus B. This is also one more special product. How to write? X of X plus B, X of X plus B plus A of X plus B. If you want to keep curly brackets, is equal to X into X, X square, X into X, X square plus X into B, XB plus A into X, AX plus A into B, AB. A into B, AB. We can break the brackets. Everything is plus symbol. X square plus XB plus AX plus AB. This is nothing but X square plus BX plus AX plus AB. This XB I can write BX. BX is equal to X square plus in order I am writing AX plus BX plus AB. Here these two are almost like terms. X square plus I can take X as common, A plus B plus AB. One more identity, X plus, this is X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B of X plus AB. This is fourth identity, fourth important special product. X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B of X plus AB. Okay, one more, the fifth question or fifth example. A plus B into C plus D. How to write again? A of C plus D plus B of C plus D. A of C plus D, this plus B of C plus D. Curly brackets, use curly brackets. Now, A into C, AC plus A into D, AD plus B into C, BC plus B into D, BD. AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Now break the brackets. AC plus AD, BC plus BD. Finally, you can write this is not a special product, normal product only. AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. This is fifth question. Now we'll discuss some more examples, then only you'll get a clear idea about this concept. One more. X minus 2 into X minus 3. Multiplication. Find the product of two binomials is equal to X of X minus 3. X of X minus 3 minus 2 of X minus 3. Definitely we have to keep curly brackets. Is equal to X into X, X square, X into X, X square, this minus 3 into X, 3X, X3 or 3X. Actually X3 is nothing but 3X minus 2 into X, 2X, this minus 2 into 3, 6. X into X, X square minus X into 3, 3X, this minus x minus I'm writing here 2 into x 2x minus 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is equal to break the brackets x square minus 3x. The symbol for 2x is plus. Because of this minus, this plus 2x will be minus 2x. Because of this minus, the minus 6 will be plus 6 is equal to x square. These two are like terms, minus 3x minus 2x. Minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. That's why this is minus 5x plus 6. Finally, x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. I got this product. One more example, find the product. 5x plus 2 into x minus 1. 5x into x minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1, keep curly brackets, is equal to 5x into x is equal to 5x square. 5x into x, 5x into x is equal to 5x square. X into x, x square, minus 5x into 1 is equal to 5x. This is nothing but 5 into 1, 5 into x, 5x, plus 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into 1, 2 is equal to, we can break the brackets, 5x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 2. Why? Because here plus symbol is there, here also almost a plus symbol only, no symbol in the sense. 5x square minus 5x plus 2x, this is nothing but minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. Then minus 5x plus 2x is equal to minus 3x minus 2. This is one example. One more example, x minus 3 into 7x plus 2. X minus 3, x of 7x plus 2 minus 3 of 7x plus 2. Curly brackets, curly brackets, curly brackets, is equal to x into 7x. This is nothing but 7 into x, 7x square. This is 7x square. X into 7x is nothing but 7x square plus x into 2. X into 2 is nothing but 2x. 2x minus 3 into 7x. 3 into 7x is nothing but 3 7s are 21. 21x plus 3 into 2 is equal to 6 is equal to, break the brackets, 7x square plus 2x. This symbol, the sign for 21x is equal to plus. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 21x. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 6 is equal to 7x square plus 2x minus 21x. Nothing but plus 2 minus 21. Nothing but 2 minus 21. What is the 2 minus 21? 19. 19. Not 19. Minus 19. 21 minus 2 is equal to 19. 2 minus 21 is equal to minus 19. That's why here minus 19x minus 6. This is 8th question. Okay children, this is 9th question. X minus 1 into 3x minus 2, x of 3x minus 2 minus 1 of 3x minus 2, keep curly brackets, is equal to, curly brackets, is equal to x into 3x, x into 3x, x into 3x, nothing but 3 into x, 3x square. Directly you can write x into 3x, 3x square minus 2 into x or x into 2, 2x minus, this is 1. 1 into 3x, 3x minus 1 into 2, 2. Minus minus only, this minus only have written, is equal to 3x square minus 2x. The symbol of plus 3x is equal to plus, the sign of 3x is equal to plus. Here, because of this minus, this plus will be minus 3x. Because of this minus will be plus 2 is equal to 3x square, like terms, minus 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 5. That means minus 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 5x plus 2. This is the 9th question. Now, the 10th question, 2x minus 3 into x plus 2. 2x of x plus 2 minus 3 of x plus 2, curly bracket, curly is equal to 2x into x is equal to 2x square plus 2x into 2 is equal to 4x. 2x into 2, 2x into 2, 2 into 2 into x, 4 into x, that's what 4x minus 3 into x is equal to 3x plus 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Break the brackets. As it is a 2x square, 4x, you can write. This is plus 3x. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 3x. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 6 is equal to 2x square. 4x minus 3x, that is nothing but 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1x minus 6. 1x we can write 2x square plus x minus 6. Okay, one more question. 2y minus 3 is into 2y minus 1. 2y minus 2y minus 1 minus 3 into 2y minus 1, keep curly brackets, is equal to 2y into 2y. 2y into 2y is nothing but 4y square. 2 into 2 into y into y, 4 into y square, 4y square, that's why 4y square minus, as it is, 2y into 1, 2y minus 3 into 2y, 6y minus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to, this one as it is you can write 4y square minus 2y. This is plus symbol. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 6y. Because of this minus will be plus 3 is equal to 4y square minus 2y minus 6y is equal to minus 8y plus 3. This is 11th question. Now one more question, almost the last one, 12th one. X minus 5 into 2x plus 7. X minus 5 into 2x plus 7. X into 2x plus 7 minus 5 into 2x plus 7 minus 5 into 2x plus 7. Just x into 2x, 2x square plus x into 2x, 2x square plus x into 7 or 7 into x, 7x. I forget to keep curly brackets. This is very, very important. Minus 5 into 2x. 5 into 2x is nothing but 10x. 10x plus 5 7s are 5 7s are 35 is equal to, yes, you can break the brackets, as it is 2x square plus 7x. This is plus 10x. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 10x, and this plus will be minus 35, plus 35 minus 35, 2x square minus 7x minus 10x, sorry, plus 7x minus 10x, plus 7 minus 10 is nothing but 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3, no? That's why 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3x minus 35. This is the last sum. I already explained 12 sums nearly. Now, all of you practice these 12 sums once again and do the given assignment also. Thank you very much.